is the VF3. It's running 750 RPM now. Let's go 1500. It's going up in increments of 750. Top speed is 7,500. That's it. Again, I never ran this thing, never ran it much over 5,000. I don't like to run these things at their maximum RPM. It's probably the second time in 30 years it's been over 5,000, 6,000 RPM. All right, we'll do a tool change. Let me just stick another tool in there. All right, so this is a VF3 that the previous owners bought brand new in 1994. And I'm the only person who's ever run it for whatever, 28 years, something like that. So I took care of it, I kept it clean, and no problems with this, just minor things over the years, maintenance, and I got a good guy for fixing these machines that he's always come out here and taken care of them when I needed it. I run the same warm-up program in that one that we did before. Same thing, just a warm-up program, moves back and forth in a kind of an X pattern just to warm the ball screws up a little before you start working on it. It's in good condition for its age. I'd say probably works every bit as good as it did the day we got it. I don't notice any difference. It's still accurate. No noises in the ball screws, and no noise in the spindle. Both this and the VF1 have a low gear, which is, I guess it gives it extra torque, more power at low RPMs for heavy cutters. I wouldn't have used that very often. Most of what I'm using is small, light cutters in there. The VM3, when we get to that, does not have the low gear. It's only got the high speed spindle and the higher gear.